Hi guys, today we talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your iPhone. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse, you just click on settings, then it's going to take you to this list here. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on notifications, you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on shouldered summary here. So then you come here to shouldered summary here, you just click in this sign. So then you click here on continue here, you select here, choose app for summary here, you click on add these apps, then you click on turn on notification summary here. So then here can you turn on it like this. Then here automatically it's going to enable video on your app. So that's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.